I have an answer on how to slow down time. I do. Not just a pretty face, also an orgasmic brain, massive brain structure, big brain, big knowledge, big wise. Why would you listen to me now, period? But anyway, hi, welcome. My name's Alita, and I give advice as an ex-stripper and someone who's lived a lot of lifetimes, period. And my answer to how to slow down time is to change your routine and keep changing it continuously. If you're scared to do that, go watch a few of my other videos that tell you how to gain confidence and how to do things that scare you, period. Change up your routine and keep changing it again and again and again. How did I find that out? Well, when I went traveling, when I went backpacking in my gap year, backpacked, period. Anyway, when I started backpacking and traveling and experiencing a lot of different things, one after the other, I feel like I've lived a million lifetimes because my experiences kept changing again and again and again, and I had different characters in it. I had different surroundings, different scenes, different experiences, which made me feel like I lived a lifetime within the span of a week. Because so much would happen for my brain to comprehend and process that it felt like time actually slowed down. And that doesn't mean that you have to go traveling and spend all your money and go into debt like I did. But change up what you're doing. The reason why time is going so fast is because you're repeating the same cycles again and again and again. Tomorrow morning, do something small like have breakfast before you brush your teeth. Why not? Take a different route home. Sign up for a different class. Do something else. Do something outside of your routine. Stop doing your routine. Quit your job and start a new one. Who cares? Life is for experiencing, and the more you change up your surroundings, the more you experience. Move to a different place. Move to a different city. Move into a different house. Couch surf for a little bit on your friends' couches, for crying out loud. Just to do it. Because then your brain is going to start recognizing all the different aspects of your life, and you're going to come out of a pattern. It's the pattern that's keeping you stuck. That's why time flies, because every day is the same. When everything within a day and every day is different, time really slows down. Period. I hope you like that. Let me know in the comments what you want to do and try it out and see how you go, and keep me posted and tell me all about it. Love you. Oh, subscribe, please. Like and subscribe. I spit fact and I spit game. No, game is when you pull someone. I'm not trying to pull anyone. Believe me, I'm happily married off. Not literally, I have a boyfriend. Anyway, nobody cares. I spit facts on this channel, and I also keep company and like to socialize with people. So like and subscribe, please. Love you.